What's going on, guys? Danny from Slow Restoration, and we're actually having a change of plans slightly. Turbo GMC, new Turbo GMC. Both have turbos now. So what we're actually doing, I have some stuff I need to do. Mike, the owner, has some time to pick away at a lot of the smaller stuff. We have the turbo installed, but what we're actually doing now, we're gonna back this truck out. I'm gonna hook to a trailer with my truck, and we're gonna tow this back, haul this back to Mike. He's gonna pick away at a lot of the smaller stuff that just kind of eat your time up. He's got time to do it, like gauge installs and a bunch of different hookup. And, we need to get some other stuff in the shop and get taken care of ourselves. So it'll be a nice opportunity too. We'll do a start on this truck. We can hear the differences. We'll start comparing the two right now, and then it'll give us a chance to actually see this truck towing again. I know I've did videos in the past with that, but it'll actually be towing the new Turbo GMC, which is actually a slightly bigger truck. It's a 4-door instead of extended cab. Yes, I do have my 280 or 35s on the back and the 37s on the front, but that's fine. I never got that rim fixed yet, and I'm not really all that worried about it at this point. 2020 has been crazy, and this works for now. So let's get both of these trucks fired up. We'll get a sound clip from each, and we'll get loaded up. So we'll just reach inside here and fire it up, and then run around to the outside. So my truck really pipes. With that rear mount turbo, no mufflers at all because the turbo's in the back. Now we're going to go ahead and fire this truck up. This one isn't completely cold, but we'll fire it up anyway. So it doesn't pipe near as loud as my truck. It has a kind of a muffled tone. Of course, it does have mufflers on it. Still needs the final tune on it also. There's the mufflers that are on. There's actually two. Sounds good though. We're all hooked up here. Alright, go with the ramps out. Chugging it a little bit. Like I said, it does still need that final tune. Let's go ahead and get it loaded up. And just like that, we got it loaded up. We'll get it strapped down, and we will be on our way. The truck isn't squatting as hard as it looks. It's because of the two different size tires, but it'll be fine. We're underway here. Turbo GMC's doing good as always. See in the rearview mirror there, we got a big old truck on that trailer. I don't think that trailer really wants any more load on it. highway here, guys. Been driving for a bit now, and everyone always asks about the stall converter and towing with it. We have a pretty good load on there, and as you can see, it's well below 200 degrees, and we're just kind of cruising along here on back roads. It's not like we're running highway. We are in and out of lockup, so yeah, it's doing good. It always does good. here, safe and sound. Let's get this thing unloaded and Mike can take it from here, get his small stuff done, and we'll bring it back. That's it, guys. Safe and sound back in the garage. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.